Good morning, dear students of class 12. As we are taking up different sections in advertisements, few days back we did the impact of advertisements, and then we did a session on classified ads. Moving on to the next variety of advertisements, that is display ad. Today we are going to have a session on how to draft a display ad. Now, first of all, it is very necessary to understand what is a display ad. They are usually confused with classified display ads. But these ads, they are more advanced than classified ad. They are unlike classified ads. They do not have any size or limitation for the advertiser. So you find that these ads, they vary in sizes as much as one column to half a page or a full page, say in a newspaper or a magazine. So if you see a full page ad in the newspaper or a magazine, say launching a new phone on the front page even of a newspaper, then it is a display ad and not a classified ad. So it is very essential to understand what is the difference between a display ad and a classified ad. In a newspaper, display advertising, they appear on the same page, one full page as I said, or half a page can be used to advertise any product. It can even be a page adjacent to a general editorial content to make it more prominent. Whereas classified ad, they appear in distinct sections based on ad category in a designated newspaper classified section. Usually an individual will go for classified ad, but a big firm, organization who have more funds at their disposal, they will prefer to advertise through display ad in a big manner. Even pamphlets, they are also a form of a display ad or a non-classified ad. Now, what are the benefits of display ad? They are usually visually appealing, eye-catching, and they support brand awareness. A particular brand wants to publicize, they would not be using classified ad, but they will be doing it through display ads. They effectively target their customers. Then they increase your visibility. Suddenly you get attracted by seeing a display ad to that particular product or brand. And they provide lot of data, lot of information also for the consumers. They support retargeting the client, the consumer. Now, when drafting a display ad, one should keep in mind certain points. The format is rectangular or square like a classified ad, but I said the size can be bigger, say half a page to a full page. And they have to be visually attractive, so drawings can be used. Illustrations can be used. They are spread out. Classified ads, they are in running lines. But a display ad is spread out. You will be shown an example how a display ad is written, then there is proportionate spacing and impressive overall arrangement. You would be shown this through an example. Catchy, lucid and persuasive language is used. Eye-catching, it has a punchline. Then persuading, to persuade the client to buy the product. Punchline must be highlighted to attract the customer to go for that particular brand or a product. May use varying font size and shape. Another way to make the display ad attractive. Then it should have a purpose on what brand it is promoting. Now these are few essential details which a display ad should include. Name of the company, institute or organization. Then details regarding the product, event or educational courses as the case may be. Then special offers or discount if any. Towards the end, address of the company, institute or organization. Now let us look at few examples of how a display ad is framed. Now taste farm fresh peas. You can see in this example, it is promoting the sale of fresh peas. And then mother's choice, quick dried, tender green, the packs available 350 grams as said about the product. Then children's delight. Then large and sweet. Who are the brand makers? Tangy orange juice, from the makers of Tangy orange juice. Enjoy green peas all year round. Then another quality is no refrigeration required. A quality product from whom? From the Farm Fresh Foods Limited. Then to catch the eyes through the star, this free trial offer is given. Then try now, buy later. This is a sort of a punchline. Then quick to cook, ready in 10 minutes. Another attractive information about the product. Now let us move to the next display ad. Kashish Films requires what? Young faces, cute kids for their new venture. What is the venture? A mega TV serial having family, drama and multi-star cast. Display your talent, become a star, contact whom? Kashish Films. The address and phone number is given. Another example, 14th International Book Fair. You can see a book drawing is made, date, time, venue, the details, date, timings and venue is given. Then the inauguration by Shrimati Smriti Irani. Then you should write the designation also of the person who is inaugurating. Then day, date and time. Display profile, what the International Book Fair has. Books for all age group, these are the attractions. Computer software and CDs, teaching aids, audio visual aids. Another special attraction, meet the author, communicative sessions, get signed copies, first 500 only. Another offer, 15% discount on all purchases, no entry fee. The organizers and sponsors, and then the punchline, books for leisure and books for pleasure. Catchy slogan. Next, add let your dream come true. Qualify for, this is another catchy line. IIT, Z and CBSE PMT, prepare yourself to crack the nerve cracking test, put in extra preparation, seek expert guidance, rely on Bright Tutorials, name of the tutorials. Then attractions, question bank, expert guidance, intensive extensive study material, comprehensive contact program, periodical tests, extensive coaching. These are the attractions. Then admissions are open for engineering medical entrance tests, postal courses also. Everything is explained. Duration 2 years, fee 5,000 rupees, right for prospectors. The address is given 87B Rose Towers, Dadar, Mumbai, pin code. Everything is provided in this display ad. Moving on to next ad example, display ad example. Diwali gift ideas to hug, touch, wrap, spread and play with. A catchy slogan. Then bedsheet towel sets. MRP is given. Drawing is also made visually attractive for eyes. Then special offers, bulk corporate buyers, Jagdish stores, furnishing that bring joy in your life. Another catchy punchline. Address is given, conditions apply, price according to size, quality and brand. You can see Redmi Note 9 Pro, the performance, then about the product. Just see, drawing is there. Very briefly, choice words are used. Stay tuned for the next sale. There is more to offer. So, from exam point of view, some exam specifications, how to write a display ad. It comes under short composition. The word limit should be 50. Format is 1 mark, content is 2 mark, expression is 1 mark. So total marks allotted for display ad is 4 marks. As the same marking scheme pattern as for the classified ad. So hope you all have understood how to draft a display ad. Now next day you would be getting an assignment based on display ad. If you have any queries, you can post them in the group. Hope you all gained from this session. Thank you.